Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art, with me, Ivan Florentino, and for today's video, I'm continuing with my TMNT series, where I first started off drawing Michelangelo, then I went on to draw Master Splinter, and then the leader of the group, Leonardo, next, Raphael, one of my favorites, and then I finished Usagi, and now the purple intelligent turtle, Donatello. And for the sole female character, April O'Neil. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, hit that like button, ring the bell, and let's get to it. So just like the other drawings, I made sure I did a very light sketch using a drafting pencil, which makes it very easy to erase. And then I went ahead and outlined and did all the details with cheap black ballpoint pens. And I wanted to use a combination of having a comic book style with more of my style, which I like to do a bit more of a hatching, cross-hatching, some shadows, some highlights, and a bit more detail, but still preserve that comic and cartoon look. And this is one of my favorite and classic designs of April O'Neil because this is her classic yellow jumpsuit look and she looks really dope. So I'm going to leave you guys with this time-lapse video and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my final one, which I drew Shredder. And see you guys later. Bye-bye.